Hello, it's Rachel. Today's project is a mixed media postcard. I'm starting here with some smooth white cardstock and I'm using a baby wipe to apply 2 shades of Dylusions paint. The colours here are Fresh Lime and Calypso Teal. Next, I'm taking a background stamp. This is a mesh stamp, and I'm going to stamp this in Archival ink in Blue Violet. Now I've selected a stamp set by Technique Tuesday. This particular one is called Growing Wild. I've chosen the tall grasses and the bulrushes from this stamp set, and I'm going to stamp these using 2 different colours of Archival ink, the first being violet and the second being cobalt blue. Now I'm choosing a second stamp set from Technique Tuesday. This particular one is called Wildflowers, and I've chosen 2 of the dragonflies from this set. I'm stamping these using Archival ink in cobalt blue. Here I'm using a piece of Ranger cut and dry foam with some of the Archival ink in cobalt, and this is to give a dark border to the postcard. For the text on my postcard, I've used my Brother labelling machine. This is 6mm tape, and I've prepped the surface with a coat of golden matte medium before applying my ink. In this case it is Archival in the colour violet. Once the ink has dried, I cut my sentiment into 3 pieces, and now I'm edging it with Archival in cobalt. This is my itty bitty background stamp from Stampin' Up, and I'm using this to create the illusion of texture and movement in the background. To make my sentiment stand out, I'm going around it in a scribbled fashion with a micron pen. I'm also creating a small border using the black pen too. That was the last step in today's project. It was a fairly short one today, but I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please remember to hit the like button and leave me a comment. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you join my subscribers, so please be sure to hit the subscribe button. The full product list will be in the video description, as well as my social media sites.